major development involving Election Day security. Dana Nessel's ban on open carry guns at the polls was just shot down again by the Court of Appeals. However, she's already fighting back, now asking Michigan's highest court to take a look. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner has been on this from the very beginning, and Jim joins us now with a look at what happens next.
Dave, I can tell you Michigan State Police say go vote, you will be kept safe. I read the Court of Appeals decision this afternoon. It talks about there are laws on the books against voter intimidation with a gun, with a knife, with a baseball bat. So here's what you need to know.
Polls, they're harassing you as you're inside the poll area. Contact the poll worker right away, let them know what's going on, and they know who to contact.
Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson had issued a directive saying open carry guns were not allowed within 100 feet of polls on Election Day to prevent intimidation. But she and the Attorney General have now lost twice in the courts. Gun rights activists have told us they've open carried when going to vote for years, and it's never been a problem. Schools and churches are gun-free zones, but in some cases you can still open carry a gun. It has to be visible if you are licensed to carry a concealed pistol.
So most polling places either are in a school and a church. If you do have a CPL, you are allowed to open carry inside of a school unless that school has passed an ordinance that says you can't.
Many other polling places are churches. This is also subject to approval to open carry on Election Day.
As far as a church, you actually need to have permission from the pastor to be able to open carry inside that church. So those laws are still out there regardless of what happens to those court cases.
And the lieutenant says if you feel threatened, call 911. Police will respond. Reporting live, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
We'll stay on it as well. Jim, thank you for the live report there. 7 Action News is your source for election coverage. If you see or have a problem yourself at the polls on Election Day, call 7 Action News and our team of reporters will immediately investigate. That hotline is 248-827-9200, or you can also email us at tips@WXYZ.com.